big green grassy area that they have here. And they keep it well maintained. And I don't know, are those apples? Let's go see. To see if these are apples. Of course, they grow potatoes here in Idaho. They might be potatoes. Oh, they're apples. Look at those. Boy, could I do some canning, huh? Wow. Beautiful. Okay, what I'm doing is going up and going to take a picture of the park sign for you. Because it's Cahanderosa. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, ooh, really uneven. Anyway, yeah, this is a huge park area. Be great for Easter egg hunting. And I'm not going to try and step over that because I'll fall. Oh, here, this is good information. Gated community. Gated community. See the gate? And this is where we are. You get up here where you can see it. And I have no clue what town it is. Excuse me? Blueberries? Oh, on that bush? Let's go look at it. That might be elderberry. Could be. Let me see what this sign says. I'm not walking out there because they warned us about snakes. But cabins, RV sites, tent sites, Lost Moose Campground, 8 miles ahead. And there's the phone number if you want to pause it and get it. And this is the... Huh? She thought these were blueberries, but I don't know what they are. I have no clue. They might be elderberries, but I'm not going to taste it to see. And there's our park. With a beautiful sunset.
And there's some car. I'm going to get close. Surprised I got you this far.
And we have a wild car approaching, so we're getting out of the way. And they told us there were bears, moose. Did they say cougars?
No.
No?
They didn't. The other place did.
Oh.
But there could be cougars lower here, right?
And this is a biking, walking trail. It goes that way.
I think it goes to the town of Cataldo.
The town of Cataldo. And then it goes all the way that way. And I'm not going down there. Because there's moose and bears.
And cougars were here, right?
Oh, that's why I asked you. Oh, we're cougars. Hardy har har har. Way to go, Judy. There's another one of those trees. I don't know. It could be elderberry, but I don't know. Anyway, and there's the office. Nice people. Well, there's some tent campers back there. Stop. See them? Camping. Got the flag up. Good for them. Yay. And then we have a boat if you want to go boating. Hardy har har. Well, that's the town we're in, right there. And that's the bathhouse. Not bad. Yeah, nice quiet place. car noise a little bit, but not enough to disrupt your sleep. Very, very clean park. I don't believe I've seen a piece of trash anywhere. Yeah, Judy walks fast. These people next to us, they're really nice. The gentleman always says hello to us. But they've got the cutest sign. Let me stop, zoom in on it. I don't know if you can see it. It says, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, and he's got like a little parrot holding a martini glass. It's so cute. Okay, we're back to our back seat. We called this the lounge area. My chair and Judy's chair, the truck, and the TrailManor kitty.